In the early 1800s, America was a young nation that relied heavily on Europe for most manufactured goods. American industry was tiny compared to European manufacturing, with most products still made by hand in small workshops. Everything changed when the War of 1812 began. British ships blocked American ports, cutting off trade and creating shortages that forced the nation to start making goods at home. What seemed like a crisis actually sparked an economic boom as Americans opened factories and discovered they could thrive independently. Around this time, the Industrial Revolution took root in the United States, beginning in New England around 1800. Fast-flowing rivers in New England powered factories, drove machines, and made large-scale production possible for the first time. People left home workshops behind and began working in centralized factories instead. Machines replaced the hand labor that had been used for generations, permanently changing how goods were made. Two inventors stood out as key drivers of this industrial transformation. Eli Whitney revolutionized cotton production with his cotton gin, improved manufacturing efficiency, and introduced interchangeable parts that could be easily replaced. Whitney invented the cotton gin in 1793, a machine that cleaned cotton faster and cheaper than ever before. Machine cleaning proved vastly superior to manual methods in both speed and cost. Francis Cabot Lowell brought the factory system to America, creating integrated mills where raw cotton entered and finished cloth came out, staffed largely by the Lowell girls. About 80% of the workers in these mills were women, known as the Lowell girls. As factories expanded, cities grew around them, drawing people from rural areas in search of factory jobs. Rapid urbanization brought serious problems, including overcrowding, disease, crime, and fire. While industry transformed the East, Americans were also pushing westward into new territories. Population growth drove people beyond the Appalachian Mountains and into Western settlement. New roads, steamboats, and canals made this westward movement possible by connecting distant regions. Together, industrial growth and transportation development reshaped the entire nation during this remarkable period of American history.